Hi everyone, trade review for today. Today I traded two stocks, Facebook and SPY. SPY was first I did in the pre-market. So today we have the economic data coming out at 5:30. So I was expecting some big move on the SPY when the data is released. So the first minute, if you look at the first minute, right at the time data was released, it goes down and it hit the support of pre-market low. So pre-market low was here, and I was trying to buy the dip. I buy dip, and then I immediately realized that's not the right thing to do. Then I quickly flip my position to go short. So my first trade is long, lost $50. Then I flip short in the second minute. So the second minute, the way I'm looking at it is it pulls back and then making a topping tail. Then I shorted some here. Let's see, where did I short that? It is actually, then I put the stop. Okay, this tool, I don't think it shows trade in the pre-market. Okay, so never mind. But basically I was using the stop. My stop was just the high of this candle. And I was seeing it drop below 446. So below the whole number, I go short and put a stop 20 cents above it. And then it made a new low. I cover a lot because I was losing trade for my previous trade. So I tried to recover some loss here, but I should have been more patient and covered later. But anyway, I covered half of that almost. And then as it continues to go down, I cover most of it. 444 is the lowest it gets. Then it retreats back. I guess if it retreats back, you can take another trade because this is like lower highs, right? So this is the high I'm using for my initial stop. Then it made a new high, lower high, like a triangle consolidate. You can take another trade, but I was already done for that trade, so I wasn't going to do anything. And then I was looking at Facebook. Facebook is really weak pre-market. So I missed the trade. I was planning to do a trade on this breakdown of 235, and I missed it. So then I was looking at it, it's really weak. So on this weak short covering, I shorted here and putting my stop right here. This is my stop line. So, and then it goes down. As it goes down, it covers some. So this is a small trade. And then right before market open, it made a huge squeeze back up. And I was like, that's a short. So I shorted it. I shorted it, but it doesn't really break down. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna get out because there's only a few minutes before market open, and I don't want to be in the pre-market trade anymore. So I get out. Did I make money? I guess. Oh, this is a trade I made some. Yeah, then this one is small loss. Then at market open, I continue to look for short opportunity, and this is perfect, right? So this candle is topping tail below the VWAP. It made a false breakout above VWAP and then came back down. So I shorted green to red, so I entered around here. But anyway, it then made another candle low. I already entered before, so in that I was trying to cover some. And then it hit my price target, which is the pre-market low. So I got everything out as it gets to the pre-market low. This is a good trade. It's like 2 times risk to reward. but I took profit too early and I was going not big size, much smaller size than the SPY trade I did initially. So I didn't make a lot of money, but it was the right setup. Then I took it. Oh, 1 minute overmanaged breakdown. It has all the requirements have to be met. Stock is weak pre-market. Then when the stock is about to open, it opened near the VWAP, made a false breakout, and then came back down. So this is very, very good. So this trade I have it live on my YouTube channel. So you can take a look. Where's my YouTube? So yeah, this is the trade I took. We can watch the live action here. Basically, as it's making the 1 minute low, I already got it. So, and I cover too much. When on this move, this is like a decisive breakdown, and I should just hold it. But I was trying to close some position first. That was too early. Yeah. Then on my screen, I had Snap, and Pinterest and the SPY. But I'm mostly trading Facebook because I was going to short Snap, but Snap opened above VWAP, so I gave up the short idea. I don't want to go long here because I feel like the gap out too much. And then see here, I close more on the when it's hitting 1R. Should have waited. Then as it continues to go down, I try to cover some right before the pre-market low. At this time, I only have one still position left, so I moved down my stop, so at least I don't lose money. My stop right now is below my entry, so I will not lose money at all on this trade. Then just waited for it to hit my price target, and then eventually you can see it hits. It made a small pullback, and then it hits. So that's the trade for today. Thanks for review. Have a good day.